Hello and welcome to this episode of Calin's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to be playing around with the Red Ryder BB Gun. We're going to be trying to shoot these Gamo Red Fire .177 caliber pellets out of it. Same size as the BBs, so it should work. You just have to muzzle load it. Just make sure you don't get a BB behind it. I've already done a couple test shots. It seems to work okay, so got some jello down there. We're going to see how it penetrates and what happens to the pellet after it's hit jello. So take a look, get loaded up. Got a little viewer here to push it down. There. Yeah. Get a line a little off. I'm going to have to get closer and down low. Okay, load it. Hit it. Go take a look. Oh wow. Actually, doesn't do much. It just zipped right on in there. Did not penetrate as far as the BBs do. Take a look. Pick it up. Seemed to drop. Look at it side on. You can see maybe how it dropped. The path. So that is a hollow point, which I was expecting to expand a little. But I don't know if it's just not going fast enough with the Red Ryder BB gun. I might get a pellet gun and try this, but currently I don't have one, so we'll see. Interesting result. Definitely held together. Penetrated pretty good. I mean, if you're hunting with those, that's plenty to kill a little bird or something. Seems like it's probably all you'd be hunting with something like this. Load up another one. Safety's on. Got a little BB here to make sure my pellets are going to be able to fit in the barrel. Yep, that one will work. So far I've only had one that didn't really work. Let's see. Okay. In there. I'm going to get a little closer this time and see if that makes a difference, how close you are. Gotta get a little lower. I think we hit it. Not sure. Safety's on. Take a look. Yeah, we hit it. That's weird.
Going backwards, huh?
Yeah. I think what happened is it hit the box first. Yeah, it hit the box right there and just skimmed it. I think that flipped it. And it went in backwards. Maybe it flipped in the jello, but get the pellet out. Pellet's just fine. There's the path. It traveled. It came out right there. Definitely low. So I'm gonna see if I can shoot this pellet again. See what happens. Put some jello on my gun. There.